Hello, I'm Christopher, and welcome to Tiagi and another news update. In this episode, we're going to talk about the new Six Flags park, or Six Flags Qiddiya, or Qiddiya, I don't know how to pronounce that. That is right now being built outside of Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia. Six Flags Qiddiya is set to open its gates in 2023. Qiddiya itself is an entertainment mega project to help diversify the income resources of Saudi Arabia. Qiddiya will have everything from this brand new Six Flags amusement parks and also a Formula One track that will be on the schedule for the Formula One season in the near future. So let's get into the facts of Six Flags Qiddiya and what we know so far. When the park is opening at 2023, it will be around 79 acres in size. That will be like 40 hectares or something like that. It will feature 28 different rides and attractions across 6 themed lands. The first land is Citadel, or the Citadel, that will be the central hub of Six Flags Qiddiya. The City of Thrills is the next land, which we also know one of the attractions for, and we will talk about later on in the video. Discovery Springs is also another land. What we have this far is concept art for the lands, so we can't talk too much about them. So we're gonna leave it at that for the moment. Next we have Steamtown, and I guess we are going for a steampunk theme here, which is very cool, so that's going to be fun to see. Then we have Twilight Gardens, which will be featuring magical creatures and probably some more kind of fantasy going on. The fifth land would be Valley of Fortune. The sixth and last one that we know about is Grand Exposition. So these are the lands and what we know about Six Flags Qiddiya at the moment. We don't know that much. We have some speculation and rumors going on, and we can probably get more information. But for now, these we are very certain about. This is happening. They are constructing the park as of now. But we do know about one ride, and that is Falcons Flight. There have been plenty of promotion going on for Falcons Flight, and they are very successful. Falcons Flight is said to be the longest, the tallest and the fastest roller coaster in the world, and from the pictures or the videos it doesn't really look realistic, so our initial thoughts that this is not going to happen. But this is getting more and more true, because now also Intamin, the company that is said to manufacture this roller coaster, says that they are actually working on the design and construction for Falcons Flight at the moment. Intamin has also been to the site, been looking down the hill where the roller coaster is gonna dive off, which is super cool, of course. When the design is completely done and the construction is done, it's probably going to differ quite a bit from this video, but it's some really cool concept art, and it's really fun to see that they're trying to make all of the 3 records at once with one roller coaster. That is amazing. So the facts we have for now is that the speed is going to be 250 kilometers plus. It's like insane fast. The height of Falcons Flight is going to be 160 meters. That's a little bit taller than the tallest roller coaster today, that is King Dakar, which is 139 meters. So quite a bit taller there. The length of Falcons Flight is going to be over 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers, that is insane. That is like 3 times longer than Helix at Liseberg. Ride time is going to be around 3 minutes. Who could say no to riding a roller coaster for 3 long minutes? That's amazing. Good job. Of course, we are super excited for Six Flags Qiddiya to be constructed and to finally open sometime in the future, hopefully 2023, and also with Falcons Flight. That's it for this news update. Please like and comment on this video, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about amusement parks around the world. Also stay tuned for our first theme park vlog since January 2020, coming soon here on the channel. From all of us to all of you, buckle up and enjoy the ride.